Hello, welcome back to the Off-Grid family. Today's a strange one. My brother-in-law, me and him are pretty close, and he often will ask me to buy him things if he can't find them, etc. You know, I tend to, be able to find obscure things on the internet. And he runs a security company, and he's trying to teach people about concealment of different things, like what to search for when doing bag searches and things. So he'd asked for hidden items, like different things like, putting different contraband in things, so hairbrushes you can hide stuff in and so on, so just loads of concealed stuff. So I went and I think I bought 6 items, all that claimed that they were concealable stuff. So we're just going to do a bit of a review, have a look at them, see how good they are or how bad they are, whatever, and we'll go from there. Again, all my own money, and I'll slate them if they're rubbish, I'll be praising them if they're good. Before I get on, thank you so much to my patrons. You guys are absolutely awesome. I really appreciate everything you've done, and if you want to join them, all the links are in the description. Anyway, let's get on. Right, so all of these items have something in common, and that is they've all got hidden compartments in them. A friend of mine runs a security business, and he asked me to get all these things for him so that he'd be able to show people what to expect at like festivals and stuff. Some are better than others. This one is obviously it's a steel can, but sadly it's got a plastic bottom that literally shakes around, and it's absolute rubbish. But if that's in a tin, if that's in a cupboard with loads of other tins, you're definitely not going to see it. But it is, as soon as it's picked up, it's definitely not. Even if it was the right weight, this rattling is not any good. Right, now we come on to quite a fat pen. I have no idea how you do this one. I'd assume it just unscrews. Yeah. Now I have seen that you can, oh, there we go, I was going to say you can get ones that actually do work, and this one is one. So this bit here is actually a pen, so it works properly, and then the whole of that is where you hide, let's say, money. Oops. Yeah, so let's pretend that we hide money in there and that we're all innocent and so on. But it looks pretty legit. Now we've got a battery pack, and these types of battery packs are very, very cheap anyway, so it might be worth you just buying a battery pack, because at least then you get a poor quality 18650 battery, and the rest of this you can pretty much make. But saying that, it is a screw head. Oh, that's hilarious. It is an 18650 battery charger, but just with nothing in it, so that they can, they can do it as a sell it as a hidden compartment thing. That's hilarious. So yeah, not so great, but instead of putting a battery in there, you could put a come on. So instead of putting a battery in there, you could just put your whatever in there. Money, obviously. Oh, come on. It's the second one that's got really poor threads. Then we got a battery charger, but there's nothing there. That is absolute rubbish. So that is just an empty case. They haven't even bothered trying to stick anything there, which really annoys me. So that's rubbish. Then we got a hairbrush, and this unscrews. And you got a fairly big space in there. But like with all of them, a little bit of looking, and I think most people would be able to tell. But like when they do bag searches, these like a hairbrush tends to be in the bag. They don't actually get stuff out, so it's not a bad idea. Now this, let's have a look at opening the top up. Oh, I see. So it's got an area in there that you can fill with drink, with a fluid. Let's see if we can get a torch in there. So you can fill it with a fluid, but you've got a concealed area inside, and it looks like it's for hiding mobile phones, but we'll have a look now. So you're drinking that end, and your hidden area in that, and yeah, it's for, that's an iPhone Pro Max size, so plops in there, and I'm sure you can put other things in there too. That one I'd say is the best looking because it feels right. It doesn't feel like it's concealing anything, and also it comes with a cleaning thing, a strap, and an actual bag for it as well. So all in all, that one's not too bad. This one's shockingly poor, this one's shockingly poor, and this one's shockingly poor. So we got 3 out of 6 that were okay. Okay, so we had some gems there, and we had some gems for a negative reason. I just think it's hilarious that they sell things that are just, you know, the outer shells of certain things. You know, with the USB one, it would have been really handy just to have hot glued a USB socket in there. Then, you know, you can get them for virtually nothing, and it would have been 1,000 times better. It's the same with the 18650 battery charger thing. They could have just cut all that nonsense out, you know, and then it would have been... You know, I just think that was just selling one without a battery and was quite amusing. But anyway, there we go. You know, he's got some stuff to work with. But I might do another one in future because he did say if I find any more in the future, then just send them his way. So if I do, I do. And if you've got any like links to ones that you think are funny or whatever, send me a message first because links get deleted. Anything with a link in gets deleted from the comments. But just send me a message and then, you know, you can email me or I'll look and allow the link if that makes sense. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.